Alright, what's going on, everybody? So I'm on my way back to Bam Cunningham shop, his detail spot. If you remember, a couple days ago, I was there and covered the box Chevy that he was doing, the 32 Pillsbury box Chevy that was painted by PC Customizing. But in the meantime, he had a Monte Carlo that was brought in and looking to be saved, to be honest with you. And yeah, I'm about to pull up to the shop, see what we got, see what he did. It is wet though.
This one I don't want to do, but I can't wait to see the outcome.
Yeah, the outcome of this one gonna be crazy. I don't know if y'all can see what he's talking about, but the paint on here is it's a little rough. Whole lot of texture in it.
A little rough.
Well,
it's a lot rough.
It's definitely rough. So he said they're gonna wet sand and buff it a couple times. Yeah. One time, two times, a few times. Let's see if they can smooth it out and correct it.
Spent a few $100s on sandpaper yesterday just for this. I ain't know sandpaper that expensive.
Yeah, so hopefully they'll save this owner the headache of getting the car repainted again and being stuck in a paint shop for damn months on end.
It's clean though.
It's clean. G-body clean. Black, it's got the red and orange stripe kit on some 4Gs. Good fit in it. It's a nice car. I wonder what's up under that hood.
I can't show that. You specifically asked.
Oh, okay.
It sounds good.
Okay.
They pulled up at the same time.
Oh, okay.
Like, what you got under the hood? Man, I can't show you that. You know, I'll be racing.
Oh, okay.
I can start up for you.
Oh, yeah, all right.
You want it?
Yeah. Cold start, right?
Yeah.
Good old cold start. It's much better. All right, so I came to Bam shop a few days ago.
Yeah.
And he was about a couple days ago, and he was working on a box Chevy, and this car was actually in here, and the paint was, let's just say it wasn't.
It needed some love.
Yeah, it needed some love. So at this point, you would
It's paint corrected. We just got to seal it with the ceramic.
Okay.
And the ceramic is going to help with the maintenance of it, and then we're going to show them how to keep the swirls off it, especially with that black.
Yeah, you'll be able to see a lot of swirls and stuff in the back. So the paint was rough. There was a lot of imperfections in it. The trunk, as I remember from last week, a few days ago, was definitely swirly. And I'm gonna add a video
You got a lot
of when it was in the first time.
Yeah, so the painter didn't properly prep the panel. There's a chemical reaction on a lot of it where the paint didn't act right.
So it's just something you can't control.
Not unless you gotta repaint it.
Yeah, so the purpose of doing this, of the guy bringing his car here, was to see how much of the paint he could save really without having to get it repainted. And the owner's pretty happy with the outcome. Happy. Super happy with the outcome. And shit, me seeing it now in person from seeing it the first time, it's definitely way better.
Yeah. He thought we were done. I said, nah, we didn't even lay the wet finish on it yet.
It's crazy. Oh yeah, it definitely look better. Save the customer from a paint job.
Well, it bought him some time.
Bought him some time at least.
Yeah, because he was like, man, I'm ready to drop it on the paint. I said, nah, just let me restore it. That way you ain't breaking the bank right now.
It looked good. It looked real
we
good.
were impressed too.
Yeah, it just looked good from the other day. It's crazy. For some of the same treatment, gonna wet sand, buff it.
Yeah.
Ceramic it.
We did the wet sand on this painter. Left a lot of runs. I mean, the color is fucking nice.
Yeah, nice color.
If he had a little bit more experience, it would be so much better.
Very nice color.
And it was painted outdoors, which is bad because you get all that trash and the trash so thick.
Let me see if we can show you some of the trash you're talking about. Some of the stuff that you probably won't be able to necessarily correct. Yeah, can't go too hard.
Not without knowing the quality of the paint.
It's like little imperfections in it, little bubbles.
A bug.
A bug in the paint. So it's just gonna have to be wet sanded down real good.
But hopefully it'll be the same scenario as that. It'll look better and decent, get him by until he
really get the car repainted again.
The interior is pretty nice. It's an 84.
84 Monte.
84, the middle console looks good.
We got everything in there.
They got the spinning steering wheel.
Oh, we got the back deck done too?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll be back to see what this one looks like when it's done. Get an update on this car.
Give you some window sill.
Yeah, look how good that look. Look good. Damn, oh yeah.
It's too dusty.
It's dusty, yeah.
The light just makes it look great.
But yeah, I'm definitely, it's not even my car, and I'm amazed at how it came out.
Oh, Pillsbury hit me. He was like, bruh, I saw that shit in the sun. He was like, that shit is wet. And then he went to Sound by the Pound.
Bam, keep some heat in the shop. Got a shop full of G-bodies. G-bodies everywhere.